Good morning, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video class, I am going to teach you a new chapter, polynomials. Polynomials. So now we recall some definitions related to polynomials. First, what is polynomial? Definition: polynomial. Let x be a variable. Let x be a variable, and n be a positive integer. N be a positive integer, and a0, a1, a2, so on, a and b constants. A and b constant term. Then a1 an x1 plus an minus 1 an x to the power n, an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x to the power n minus 2 plus so on a1x plus a0 plus a0 is known as a polynomial in variable x. So here generally we know that a1, an minus 1, an minus 2 are called constants. Here is there a0, a1, a2 are constant, and x to the power n, x to the power n minus 1, x to the power n minus 2 are the variables. Let x be a variable. The definition is let x be a variable and n be a positive integer, and a0, a1, a2, so on an are the constants. Then an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x to the power n minus 2 plus so on. The last term is a1x plus a0. A0 is a polynomial in variable x. And next, a degree of polynomial. The next one is degree of a polynomial. The exponent of the highest degree term in a polynomial is known as its degree of the polynomial. Let's take some examples. X cube plus x square plus 2x plus 1. This is p of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 1. This is the example of polynomial. So here the highest degree is 3. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 3. And let us take one more example. F of y is equal to 4y to the power pi plus 6y square plus 7y plus 1. So here the highest degree is 5. Therefore, the highest degree of the polynomial f of y is 5. And next, z of a is equal to a to the power 100, 5a square plus 6a plus 7. See here the highest degree of the polynomial is 100, a to the power 100. Therefore, the highest degree of the polynomial is 100. So this is of degree of polynomial. The next we recall a constant of polynomial. What is constant polynomial? So already you have studied in your previous class these terms. So constant polynomial. A polynomial of degree 0 is called constant polynomial. A polynomial of degree 0 is called constant polynomial. For example, see here, f of x is equal to 2 and g of x is equal to 8 and f of z is equal to 3. Then the next concept is linear polynomial. Next definition, linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? A polynomial of highest degree 1. A polynomial of highest degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. For example, f of x is equal to x minus 2. G of x is equal to x minus 8. F of y is equal to 3y minus 13. Yes. Let's see the example. F of x, f of y and g of x. So in the first example, the highest degree is 1, and in the second example also the highest degree is 1, and the third example is also the highest degree is 1. Therefore, these example means x minus 2, 3y minus 13 and x minus 8 are called linear polynomial. So once again I will repeat the definition. A linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. So the general form of linear polynomial is ax plus b is equal to 0, but here one condition is a is not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, it is not a linear polynomial. So this is about linear polynomial. The next concept is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic, quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial? A polynomial of degree 2, a polynomial of highest degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. So for example, p of x is equal to 2x cube plus x square plus 3, g of x is equal to x square plus 3, and g of y is equal to 3y square plus 100y plus 3. So these are the examples of quadratic polynomial. In first example, the highest degree is 2, 2x square plus x plus 3. And in second example, g of x is equal to x square plus 3. So the highest degree is 2. And in third example, the highest degree is 2. See here, y square, the highest degree is 2. Highest degree 2, highest degree 2, highest degree 2. So the definition of quadratic polynomial is a polynomial of degree 2 is known as a quadratic polynomial, and the general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here also one condition is there, a is not equal to 0. If a becomes 0, this polynomial also become linear polynomial. Therefore, a is not equal to 0 is the condition. The next, third one is cubic polynomial. Third one, cubic polynomial. So what is cubic polynomial? So in the same definition, a polynomial of degree 3, a polynomial of highest degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. For example, p of x is equal to x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 5, and g of x is equal to 3x cube plus 4x square plus 6, and phi of y is equal to 100x cube plus 7. Okay. So first example. In the first example, highest degree is 3. First example, highest degree is 3. And in second example, highest degree is 3. And in third example is also highest degree is 3. Therefore, these are the examples of cubic polynomial. And the general form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is the general form of cubic polynomial. And here one condition is a is not equal to 0. Here also a is not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, then this cubic polynomial become quadratic polynomial. And next, the fourth one is biquadratic polynomial. Fourth one is biquadratic polynomial. So what is biquadratic polynomial? A polynomial, same definition, a polynomial of highest degree is 4. A polynomial of highest degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. Some examples of biquadratic polynomial. First one, p of x is equal to 10x to the power 4 minus 7x cube plus 8x square plus 3. And second one, p of y is equal to 100y to the power 4 minus 3y cube plus 6y square plus 6y plus 8. And third one, g of x is equal to 1000 x to the power 4 minus 5. Yes. In first example, highest degree of the polynomial p of x is 4, and in second example, highest degree of the polynomial p of y is 4, and in third example, highest degree of the polynomial g of x is 4. Therefore, these are the examples of biquadratic polynomial, and the general form of biquadratic polynomial is ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, and here also one condition, a is not equal to 0. If a becomes 0, then again the polynomial become a cubic polynomial. So this is about the basics of polynomials.